And Polkadot rose by 7.5% to $4.572 within the last few days. The token had a market cap of $5.75 billion at press time, making it the 14th largest cryptocurrency. Is your portfolio green? Check out the DOT profit calculator. And Polkadot's ecosystem continues to expand as more parachains developments come on board. By the end of Q1 2023, over 40 parachains had won fresh option slots on Polkadot, according to the Q1 update. The new projects include Zeitgeist and Subsocial, among others. These new parachain developments could add upward pressure to DOT's token value as they drive demand. Notably, a project team must win a Polkadot parachain slot auction to be connected to the core network. The parachain slot auction is settled in DOT tokens, and the project team could seek DOT from individual holders through a crowdfunding process known as crowd loans to help secure the slots. And keep teaming. To understand the potential impact of these new developments on DOT's value, we tapped into ChatGPT to gain more nuanced insights and gauge the AI model's apprehension of Polkadot's ecosystem. And so, kind of starting off with the basics, we asked ChatGPT to explain what Polkadot is and how its ecosystem works. In summary, ChatGPT stated, overall, Polkadot's ecosystem is designed to foster innovation and collaboration between different blockchains, providing a flexible and scalable platform for developers to build a wide range of decentralized applications. And decentralized applications are also known as parachains. The Polkadot ecosystem added 21 of these parachains last month, and each project team must win a parachain slot auction to gain access to the core system for a specified period of time. It is like paying for a lease over a certain agreed duration. And to further gauge the AI model's understanding of Polkadot, we asked it how parachain slot auction works. And the crowd loan structure of sourcing DOT tokens involves staking to help a project win an auction. This, simply put, is intriguing. Because of the current U.S. regulatory pressure on crypto staking, anything structured in a manner that involves staking could attract regulatory scrutiny. For example, Coinbase recently received the Wells notice from the SEC. One of the objects of the potential lawsuit is reportedly its crypto staking service. So we asked ChatGPT what a crowd loan is and then its legal standing in the U.S. After the explanation was inapt, but the AI model couldn't affirmatively state whether crowd loans are legal in the U.S. And it's going into proper ChatGPT's analysis of the legality of crowd loans in the U.S. And given at this point, one thing is crystal clear: parachains development can draw demand for DOT tokens because project teams need them to win a parachain slot auction. Based on this, how will the 21 newly added parachains impact DOT's value? So what we're doing with this was the AI model's answer, and we need to put a figure on the above possible upward pressure on DOT's value due to the added parachains. So we pulled historical price data on DOT to help make future price predictions. Some results issued by ChatGPT were inaccurate, with a wide deviation from price data collated from TradingView. For example, ChatGPT stated that DOT hit a high of $52 in December 2021. On the contrary, TradingView's data showed it at a high of $39 on first dollars in December 2021. And the AI model is restricted from making price predictions. So we unshackled it through jailbreak techniques to get modest price prediction values for DOT. And we had to ask the AI model to break down DOT's historical price data in 2021 to use it for the predictions. Surprisingly, the results were different from the previous output. The results noted little deviation from TradingView's data compared to the previous output. The jailbreak version is known to give outright false information, but this particular instance was slightly different. On the other hand, the classic version resorted to attaching a direct link from CoinMarketCap to help track historical price data. However, it is worth noting that the AI model tracks different sites to collate data on cryptocurrency prices. These sites sometimes have different real-time price values for crypto assets, and you could explain the price deviation witnessed in the initial and second outputs. And then we nudged ChatGPT to predict DOT's price by the end of 2023 and 2024 based on the above historical price data. And that, though ChatGPT gives speculative answers, it gave a modest figure of $50. We stretched ChatGPT to extrapolate the same data and give a modest average value of DOT by the end of 2024. The AI bot expects DOT's price to stabilize around the price mark of $80 by the end of the next year. Not everybody has the patience to wait for long-term prospects. So, what do DOT's short and mid-term prospects look like? The daily chart could offer some clues. At press time, DOT was trading at 457. Both its relative strength index and money flow index rested below the neutral 50 mark. In conclusion, its on-chart metrics suggested a bearish trend. And then read Polkadot's price prediction 2023-2024. As an AI tool, ChatGPT is capable of understanding complex technical information. It has an apt understanding of the Polkadot ecosystem and how the development of its parachains impacts the DOT's price action. Though ChatGPT forecasted DOT's price could hit $80 by the end of 2024, only time will tell if it made a correct prediction.